now we are going to see HTML block and inline element. Control K, Control C. So let's have a look first. HTML block. What is HTML block? Well, what is the difference of HTML block, and I will explain you here. For let's see, this is your HTML page, the full page. This is your full HTML page, right? And you put one element, whatever element or div you put, so it will take the space, as much space which is available. It will take the whole space which is available. This is the block level element. Always start on a new line and takes up the full width available. Stretch out to left and right as far as it can. Okay, so this is div element or block level element. Block level is equal like a div, so it takes the whole. And now the other one, which is span, and we call is inline element. So inline element is, for example, if you create a inline, it will take as much. When an inline element does not start on a new line and only takes up as much width is necessary. For example, this here I say, okay, I want to type hello world, so it will take only space which is available for hello world. It will take that much width. On the other hand, the block level, it takes all space which is available either on the left side or the right side. It takes everything, but the inline element takes only which as necessary. So this is what we call inline element, like a span. Okay, so I will show you how we can do this here. So let's have a look on HTML block. So for HTML block, let's create div, and we say this is HTML block, or you can say a block level, right? Let's put style here so you can see style. So you see, if you put a div, it will take all the space available either on the right side, either on the left side. It will take the whole space which is available. So this is a block level HTML element. Here I can give you some example. Div is a block level, like a div is a block level. Okay, div is a block level, and What else? Header is a block level. HR is a block level. HR is like a, this is a black line. Okay, and paragraph is a block level. Section is a block level. Table as well. Unordered list as well. And what else? Article as well. And address as well. So let me copy this one so you can see how much space it takes. Div we have already seen. This is header. Just type header so you will see. Let me put a break here. Yeah, let me put break here. So yeah, Control C section. You can type a section here. Paragraph. Let me type this para. You see, and table as well. Table. Unordered list. List item. See, article. Address. So these are element of block level element which take full space available either on the right side or on the left side. It takes the these block levels, they take whole space available. Now we will see the inline. Okay, HTML block, HTML inline. This is span a hello world. Yeah. So you see, if I again put the same thing again, it goes next to the previous one. If I put again, it goes next to the previous one. Let me change black to yellow. Red. Let me put 5% so you can see the difference. You see, these are inline element. The example for these kind of inline element are A tag, B the bold tag, and break one as well, and italic, this one, image as well. What else? Yeah, strong. We can have and text area as well. Text area as well. So text area. Okay, let me put a break there. Break. Strong. Italic. Bold. You see the bold, which is appearing next to the span one, right? Then there is anchor tag, there is nothing. Anchor tag, it is there. You see, it is next to the bold. Then I put bold, which is next to the anchor again. I put the break, so we can see the difference to the next line. Then I put the italic, no break, and then in the image you see image, it is inline, it is appearing next to the strong, it is appearing between the strong and italic. So it is strong, this is strong and this is italic, so it is appearing in the between these two elements. And strong is as well, I put the break line element now, and then I put text area, you see. So these all are inline elements, so they appear or they are displayed next to the previous one. So this is the difference between the block level and the inline element.